In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a square picture into a circle using Canva. If you've ever wanted to transform that square image into a smooth, rounded masterpiece, you're in the right place. Let's walk through this process step by step, ensuring that even if you're a beginner, you'll be able to follow along with ease. First things first, make sure you have your Canva account open and are logged in. Once you're all set, head over to your design or start a new one if you haven't already. We're going to begin by navigating to the Elements section of Canva. This is where you'll find all sorts of useful design tools, but today we're focusing on frames, specifically the circular frame. Once you're in the Elements section, you'll need to scroll through the frames until you find a circle. Canva provides various frame shapes, but the circle is perfect for achieving that rounded image look. Click on the frame and it will be added to your design space automatically. Now what you'll need to do is the classic Canva move: drag and drop. Simply drag the circle frame from the toolbar on the left into the center of your canvas. You can adjust the size by pulling at the corners of the frame until it reaches your desired size. This is all visual, so feel free to move it around until it fits just right with your composition. Next, it's time to incorporate your image. Find the picture you've already uploaded to Canva or upload a new one directly from your device. Now, here comes the fun part: dragging your chosen image into the circle frame. As you move your image over the circle, you'll notice an overlay prompting you to drop it inside the frame. Just let go and watch how Canva automatically crops your image into that perfect circle shape. Take a moment to refine your new circular image. Click on it to reposition the photo within the frame. You can double-click on the frame to adjust which part of the image is visible, moving it around until it captures the scene or subject exactly as you envision it. If you need to zoom in or out, simply drag the corners of the overlay. And there you have it, a beautifully cropped circular image ready to enhance your design project. Whether you're preparing a logo, a social media post, or a presentation, this technique is sure to add a polished touch. Remember, practice makes perfect. So go ahead and try this with different images and frame sizes to truly master the art of framing in Canva. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more insightful design tips and tricks.